What you see here is a table full of university students. Such data is frequently used to calculate some sort of statistics by using the group by SQL clause. As you can see here, we have the student name, subject, their scores, and the semesters they fall in. We can use this data to calculate the average score per subject, the number of students per semester, or the highest score per subject. We can do that by using the group by SQL query, which is used to organize and aggregate data based on one or more columns. It can be used with aggregate functions like count, sum, average, min, or max. Basically, it's grouping data based on one or more columns. We can see here that we have 5 columns. We have the ID, student name, subject, score, and semester. To calculate the average score per subject, we need to select the subject, the average score. We round this up to have 2 numbers after the dot, and then group by subject. What we do here is basically select the subject, an average score from the students table, and then group everything by subject, because we need an average score here per subject, group by subject. We can also use the same group by clause to calculate the number of students per semester. So for that we use the select semester, count, because we need a number of students, count rows, every row in a table, from students, group by semester, because we need to calculate data per semester. The same goes with the highest score per subject. We select the subject, the maximum highest score from the students table that we have, and since we need data per subject, we group data by subject. So let's see how it looks like. We see that all queries have executed. So the first query was to calculate average score per subject. As we can see, we have subject and average score. We have rounded this up to have 2 numbers after the dot, so this is why it's showing like that. History, math, psychology, and science. Great. For the second query, we had number of students per semester. So let's look into that. We can see that we have 4 semesters and the number of students. For the third query, we had the highest score per subject, and for that we have results as follows: history 99, math 99, psychology 99, science 99. So this is the crux of the group by SQL clause. The group by, as already stated, is an SQL clause that is used to organize and aggregate data based on a column. So something based on something. Something, then we do something, and we base that by something. Once again, we select something, use an aggregate function, then per something, right? We select something, use an aggregate function, and then group by. We select something, use an aggregate function, and then group by. And this is how it works. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.